guys, so we have a Not Sharpening The Saw because Madeline, she wants to live at school for the whole entire summer, and it's not going to be healthy because she wants to live off vending machines and the drinking fountain. So, Charlotte?
So I think this is definitely not ahead. Beginning she's not beginning in life because it's not like it's not soft or sharpening. Sorry, she's not sharpening the saw because so she's not mostly not sharpening the saw because you can't live off just a vending machine and water because you need different kinds of nutrients and stuff. But also because none of the food really in the vending machine is really all that healthy. Yeah. So she definitely not be able to live off that.
Yeah. Well, in some vending machines, like they've changed them now, but I don't think that. I think they're talking about like a junk food kind of one. So I think this is So I think it's gonna turn out really bad because she's gonna have to be like called out or something, and she's gonna have to call her parents to get out because she's gonna be really unhealthy. Like,
It's not gonna turn out great.
so is that it?
Yeah.